Welcome to Mandyland, a magical playground for creative souls. In this video, I'm going to show you how I took this drawing of a unicorn that I drew with markers and colored pencils, and then I created stickers out of it. Here's the sticker. Okay, what you want to do is you want to start a new canvas in Procreate. I always choose a square because I just like working with a square. This is my drawing. I took a picture of it already, so it's gonna be in my photos. So you go to the wrench and then you insert a photo. So you choose from the photos. We're gonna pick that one because that's the picture of the unicorn that I drew. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna position it to the size that you want. Then you're gonna create a new layer, and then you're gonna draw on top of this layer. So you want to use the drawing thing. I always use the inking one, and I usually use the technical pen. Then what I do is I create multiple layers and I start drawing on top of the photograph of my pencil and colored pencil drawing. And then here, what you're gonna see is the time lapse that Procreate creates for you. So when I like the drawing, I will then bring it into Photoshop. I'll do some tweaking there, and then I'll bring it back into Procreate. And what we want to do is go back up to the wrench tool, and we are going to share it as, you can share it as a PDF, a JPEG, a PNG, whatever you'd like. And then it's going to say exporting. And yes, you want to save the image. That's going to save it to your photos that are located in your iPad. And then you go and you look for it. There it is. And then you can airdrop that to whomever you want to airdrop it to. So I airdrop it over either to my phone or to my laptop, so then I can work in Canva. This is where I upload it to Canva, and I just discovered this cool thing. See these two little circles of color here? I went through and just changed the color, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the original unicorn, which was pink, and I changed it to blue and then purple. And so I then looked, and there's this other circle too. I'm like, well, what would happen if I changed the color on that? So what I landed on for this particular unicorn was the pink, the purple, and the blue color. I just loved how that looked. Once I get that all done, what I do is I create a sticker sheet. This is the sticker sheet when it's printed off. What you want to do is you want to let it dry for several hours, if not a whole 24 hours, before you laminate it, because you just want the ink to fully dry. This is on regular paper because this was a test run. So I wanted to see if when I cut out the stickers, this is just on regular paper, right? This is sticker paper. I wanted to see if it was going to fit into the baggies that I put my stickers into. And once I get them the correct size, I then format the sticker sheet, and then I print it off, laminate it, and then I cut them in. This is the sticker sheet with the laminate paper on it. You can hear that it's sticky. So what I do is cut all around the edge. We go in and we cut each individual sticker. Want to make sure that we cut as close as we can, but we leave some white space. And just cut all the way around. The newest sticker in my shop. The unicorn comes in purple, blue, and bright pink. Which one's your favorite? The purple unicorn all packaged up. Thanks for being here. For more creative inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, and you can get all of the Mandyland stickers. Just go to the link in the description box below. Bye!